It mattered to me and to the folks here at GLAAD that we not simply wait to be on defense, but that we be on offense. Maureen and Ellen added so much to the case. I think the fact that their relationship had been so successful over these number of decades, and the same was true with Linda and Gloria, that they had decades of a relationship together, a successful relationship, just helped to speak volumes to other people. How would you feel if after 20 years somebody told you you were not eligible, worthy of marriage?
The day the case was presented to the SJC, we were all sitting together.
Mary Bonato's argument for the SJC was one of the most moving experiences of my life.
And we were all just sitting there basically stunned that, she had delivered such a beautiful story of our lives and the case in 14 minutes, summarized, and she was done.
Very historic and controversial day in Massachusetts. That state becoming the first in the nation to sanction same-sex marriages.
My favorite is the first paragraph. The Massachusetts Constitution affirms the dignity and equality of all individuals. It forbids the creation of second-class citizens. In reaching our conclusion, we have given full deference to the arguments made by the Commonwealth, but it has failed to identify any constitutionally adequate reason for denying civil marriage to same-sex couples. My hair was on end. I have to admit, it took me a while to read it because when I went to the court to physically obtain a copy of the opinion, I went outside and I was thumbing through it, trying to look somewhere in the middle to figure out what was the result. And I actually first went to the dissent, so I was terrified that we lost. So it took me a while to be able to get to read that, but my hair was on end, and I've talked to plenty of people who just wept reading those words. I love the idea that there are these principles in our state and federal constitutions about equality, and that as time goes on, people who were once seen as outsiders come to be seen as the full human beings and citizens that they are.